Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to prevent children from installing apps from Google Play Store. So let's get started. So if you want to prevent your children from installing apps from your Google Play Store, what you can do is just simply open up your Google Play Store application. After opening up your Google Play Store, now you can just tap on your profile icon, which is on the top right, then tap on settings. After tapping on settings, what you can do is just tap on this whole option, which is family, and after tapping on family you can find the option this parental control. So just tap on it, and if it's turned off, what you can do is just turn it on, and after turning it on it will ask you to create a pin. So you have to create a strong pin, because whenever your child tries to install an application, he or she will be asked to enter that pin. So create a strong pin, and after creating it just tap on OK and then confirm that pin by re-entering it. So just re-enter it and then tap on OK, and after tapping on OK you have successfully created a pin, and whenever your child decides to install an app, he or she has to enter that pin, and then only they can install the app. So after creating that, now what you can do is just simply tap on apps and games, and after tapping on apps and games what you can do is just add a age restricted game. So if your child is below 12, what you can do is just select the age range of 7, and after selecting the age range of 7, now what you will do is just your child will be only allowed to install the games which are of 7 years old age range. You can also change it to 16 or 18 according to your child's age. So what you can do is just select the age range and then tap on save, and after tapping on save you have successfully saved your settings, and by following this process you have successfully added a parental control. So after doing this, now if your child tries to install a game, he will be asked to enter the passcode, and if he enters the wrong passcode he will be not allowed to install that game. So that's it guys, this is how to prevent children from installing apps from Play Store. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.